In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Odoo website. This is a straightforward process, but doing it correctly can significantly enhance your website's visual appeal. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enrich your web pages with quality images that captivate your site's audience. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll first want to open the website app in your Odoo dashboard. This is the central hub where you have all the tools you need to customize and manage your website. Once you're there, look for the Edit button. Clicking on Edit gives you the flexibility to modify the content of your web pages, allowing you to add and adjust elements to fit your design needs. Now, when you enter the editing mode, you'll notice the Insert Blocks toolbar. This is your go-to area for enhancing your web pages. In this toolbar, you'll find a variety of section options, such as content, features, and banner sections. Each of these sections houses different block choices that cater to your layout requirements. For adding images, you might be particularly interested in blocks like image, text image, image floating, or big picture. These blocks are specifically designed to integrate images seamlessly into your website's layout while maintaining aesthetic balance with existing content. Choose one of these blocks based on how you envision the image fits into your page. Once you've identified the ideal block, click on it and simply drag it to the location on your page where you want the image to appear. This drag and drop feature is intuitive and makes the design process quick and efficient. Plus, it gives you the freedom to experiment with different placements to see what looks best. After positioning your block, click on the newly added image placeholder within that block, and then go ahead and click the Replace button. This action allows you to upload your desired image from your computer files. Be mindful of the image quality and size to ensure it fits well within the allocated space and maintains the overall visual integrity of your website. Once your upload is complete and everything looks just the way you want, all that's left is to make these changes live. To do that, simply click on Save and Publish. This final step commits your changes to the live version of your website, allowing site visitors to enjoy the new improved look immediately. Remember, the Save and Publish action saves your additions and modifications, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the transition from editing to live. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Odoo website, enhancing its appeal and functionality. Adding images isn't just about aesthetics. It's about engaging your visitors and delivering content in an appealing way. Thanks for following along with this guide, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips on optimizing your Odoo website.